Dominion Energy, the Creaform 3D laser scanner tool essentially serves one purpose. That purpose is to help us determine if our pipeline and pipeline assets are safe. There's many different things that can affect the integrity of the pipeline, such as corrosion. There are 3 types of corrosion we worry about: internal, external, and atmospheric. We also are concerned with mechanical damages such as dents and gouges. The Creaform 3D laser scanner tool is able to assess all of these and help us determine if our pipe is safe. Typically, when there is corrosion on the pipe, we would assess this visually. Does the pipe look bad? Can you tell that there's metal loss? And if so, are you able to measure it? If you're able to measure it, this would entail getting a pit gauge. A pit gauge has a little point that you put into the deepest part of the pit or corrosion anomaly. If the corrosion pit is long enough, we would section it off into 1/4 to 2 inch size grids and measure the deepest part within each grid. What this laser scanner tool is able to do is to take 480,000 measurements per second instead of just those 1 measurements per grid. This really just gives us much more data, which therefore is more accurate. It also takes out the opportunity for human interpretation or possible human error. The value in this tool really comes from the ability to make more informed decisions about our pipe. Does the pipe need replaced? Does it need repaired, recoated, or is it fine to leave in service? Overall, I would say that the time that we save using this tool over the pit gauge, the accuracy that the tool provides us, and the confidence behind our decisions about the safety of the pipe is just really invaluable to the Corrosion Group and Dominion.